It was just meant to happen. It just so happens that I recently discovered nettles in the garden. I have come across a recipe that uses nettles and wild garlic. We're gonna make nettle and wild garlic tart. Second by second, these clouds are closing in on us. A warm and cozy tart lunch is looking more and more appealing. Georgie? Here we have the nettles. They're really stingy things, so I'm gonna put on some gloves. Also full of bees. I'm collecting about a cup of nettles and half a cup of garlic, but as you'll see later in this video, I ended up doubling that. I think this should be enough. Unfortunately, the sky was becoming ominous at this point. Georgie? Quite warm today, so I've changed into the most sensible cooking outfit, all white. To make the filling of the nettles and wild garlic is to blanch them in boiling water for 2 minutes, put them in an ice bath, and once they're cooled, squeeze them out and chop them up. Pretty simple. I hope I can do this without gloves though, it doesn't mention the stinging part. So let's boil some water and let's prepare that ice bath. Ice bath, garlic and nettle. Looks like it's gonna pour outside. Some storm clouds coming in strong. Our goat cheese. So I have substituted soft goat's cheese for the hard goat's cheese the recipe called for because I couldn't find that. Oops, I just touched the stinging nettle. Wow, do you hear that? It's pouring. If only this were a summer shower, but it's also cold. 2-minute blanch commences. I'm worried this isn't enough. Here is our blanched, iced, squeezed, chopped nettle and wild garlic. It looks a bit meager now. I think I might go get some more. Update. It is pouring. I'm pretty sure I need more nettle, and I definitely need parchment paper to bake the tart. So I think we're gonna reconvene here tomorrow when I'm more organized and the weather more cooperative. I've decided to just power through and make this tart because I really want to eat it. So we're gonna go buy parchment paper and then face the rain and get some more nettle. Okay, here it goes. Georgie, get back inside. Get back inside. Oh my God. Okay, we're back in business. The inevitable has happened. While freaking out that Georgie was going to defenestrate herself, I got careless and stung myself with the nettle I was holding. So it's definitely stingy nettle. Gonna chop up this onion in preparation for like 10 steps ahead when we'll finally be simmering it. We're gonna make the dough. We've got our butter, which we need 100 grams of, 1¼ cups of flour. She wants to go back out into the garden. Gonna chop it in rather small pieces. Salt. Now we add ice water, about 5 tablespoons. It is a nice trick I learned recently to take your rolling pin and, starting at the corner of the rolled out dough, wrap it around the pin. This gets it up so much easier, and then I just rolled it right back out into the tart pan. I'm gonna clean up and then fill this with parchment and beans to pre-cook. First I baked the tart for 20 minutes, weighed down by the lentils, and then 5 more minutes alone to brown up. Now, after adding the filling and the custard, here's where I broke up the goat's cheese into the tart. Then I put it back in the oven for another 30 minutes and it was ready. At this point, it was sunny and beautiful again, like a completely different day. And in eating this, I'm going to find out what nettle actually tastes like, because I have no idea. It looks good. It's amazing. I've definitely never had this flavor. It's kind of herbal, but also a little bit like spinach. It's just very rich, actually. Works fine with the soft goat cheese. If I ever find hard goat cheese, I would make it again to see what the recipe's supposed to taste like. But anyway, I think this is a winner. I would totally serve this. In fact, I can't wait to have somebody over soon so I can just whip this up from my garden, and just to say that. But for now, I'm going to enjoy a delightful home foraged lunch.